Make.com Tutorial 2025 Vertical Bar, How to Create AI Agents for Business Automation. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful automation platforms on the market, Make.com. In this Make.com tutorial and review, I'll show you exactly how to create AI agents with Make.com step by step. Whether you're a beginner exploring AI tools or a business owner looking to scale your operations, this guide will give you everything you need to get started. By the end, you'll not only understand how Make.com AI agents work, but you'll also know how to set up, configure, and deploy your own agents to handle real-world tasks. Why Make.com and AI agents matter in 2025. In the modern digital economy, automation is no longer optional, it's a necessity. Businesses that rely solely on manual processes waste valuable time and resources. That's where platforms like Make.com step in. With Make.com, you can automate workflows between apps and services, create AI-powered agents that respond, analyze, and take action, scale your operations without dramatically increasing costs, improve collaboration and efficiency inside your team. Think of Make.com as your automation headquarters, a place where you can design, manage, and monitor intelligent systems that keep your business running smoothly 24/7. Step 1. Getting started with Make.com. To begin, head over to Make.com. On the homepage, you'll notice the option to explore AI agents. Click Start Using AI Agents to get the process rolling. At this point, you'll need to sign up. Make.com makes this easy. Use Google for quick sign-in, or sign up via email, GitHub, or Facebook. For this tutorial, I'll use Google to create my account. Once logged in, click Continue to finalize your registration and access your new Make.com dashboard. Step 2. Understanding the dashboard and plans. When you first log in, you'll see the basic interface of Make.com. This dashboard is where you'll organize your automations, view your workflows, and access AI agent tools. Important note, to use AI agents, you must upgrade to a paid plan. Here's a quick breakdown of plans. Core plan, $10.59 month. Perfect for individuals or small teams just starting. Pro plan, for growing businesses needing advanced automation. Teams plan, designed for larger organizations requiring robust features. Each plan includes AI agents, but higher tiers unlock more data, usage, and integrations. Make.com provides a comparison chart so you can easily pick the right fit. For this walkthrough, I'll select the core plan and complete the billing process. Step 3. Creating your first AI agent. Once your account is upgraded, click AI Agents on the left menu, and then select Create Agent. Before building the agent, you'll need to set up a connection. This step links Make.com with external AI providers. Adding a connection. Click Create Connection. Choose a provider, e.g. Grok, OpenAI, or ChatGPT. Enter a connection name. Add your API key. For example, if you choose OpenAI, log into the OpenAI dashboard. Navigate to API keys. Click Create a new secret key. Name it e.g. Make Key, and copy it. Paste the key back into Make.com. Hit Save, and your connection is ready. Step 4. Naming and defining your agent. Next, give your agent a name. For example, I'll call mine Spencer. Then, select a model. You can choose ChatGPT 4 Mini, GPT 4.1, or other available models depending on your needs. The most crucial step here is the system prompt. The system prompt defines agent's purpose, behavior, and tone, guidelines or restrictions. For instance, if you're building a customer service agent, your prompt might be, you are a customer support agent. Your job is to provide clear, friendly, and accurate answers. Always prioritize customer satisfaction and never share confidential information. Alternatively, you could design a counselor-style agent with empathy and supportive language. Once your prompt is finalized, click Save. Your AI agent is now officially created. Step 5. Improving and training your agent. Creating an AI agent is just the start. The real magic happens when you train and refine it. Make.com allows you to improve prompts automatically with built-in optimization. Add context and background data for more relevant responses. Use MCP servers and system tools for decision-making. Test the agent directly in the training section. For example, type a simple "Hi" to see how your agent responds. If the response feels off, tweak your system prompt or provide more context until it matches your expectations. Step 6. Configuring settings and limits. On the top right of the dashboard, you'll find your agent settings. Here, you can adjust maximum output tokens, controls response length, steps per agent call, how many actions it takes, agent run history limits. These options help you balance performance with cost efficiency, especially if you're running multiple agents. You can also duplicate agents for quick testing or create variations for different business needs. Step 7. Deploying your AI agent. Once you're satisfied with your testing, it's time to deploy your AI agent. Make.com supports integration with a wide variety of platforms, including Amazon Bedrock, OpenAI API, Azure AI, Google Gemini, Anthropic Claude, many others. This flexibility means you're not locked into a single provider. You can plug your agent into whatever ecosystem best supports your business. Step 8. Using templates and building automations. Beyond AI agents, Make.com offers templates that streamline common automations. For instance, automating tasks between Google Sheets and AI tools, creating workflows for customer support, running business analytics reports automatically. This transforms Make.com into a power hub for your business, not just creating AI agents, but also managing full-scale automation. Best practices for Make.com AI agents. To maximize results, keep these tips in mind. Start small, then scale. Create a simple agent first before building complex workflows. Define clear goals. Know whether your agent is for customer support, data entry, or content creation. Use high-quality prompts. The better your system prompt, the better your results. Monitor performance. Regularly test and adjust your agent's responses. Leverage integrations. Connect with tools your business already uses. Google, Slack, CRM, etc. Final thoughts? And that's it! You've just learned how to create, train, and deploy AI agents on Make.com. With this platform, you're not just saving time, you're unlocking entirely new levels of productivity. From customer service bots to workflow automation, Make.com agents can transform how you run your business in 2025. If you found this Make.com tutorial helpful, please like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more AI tutorials, automation guides, and productivity hacks. Comment below with your questions, I'll personally reply, and may even create a future video based on your suggestions. And don't forget, share this tutorial with friends, colleagues, or business partners who could benefit from automation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.